Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Astercook deep-carbonized bamboo cutting boards for kitchen with wood storage stand. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: deep-carbonized bamboo for lasting strength. Crafted from premium bamboo and treated with high heat carbonization, this wood cutting board set resists warping, cracking, and water absorption. Stronger than standard cutting boards for kitchen, it protects knife edges and stays smooth through years of everyday use. Complete set with space-saving stand. Unlike ordinary wooden cutting boards for kitchen that take up space, this bamboo cutting board set includes a matching stand to keep all three boards upright, organized, and dry. A cleaner, safer, and more elegant way to store your cutting boards for kitchen. Sized right for every task. The set includes 15x10, 12x8, and 9x6 inches cutting boards to handle everything, whether you're chopping veggies, carving roasts, or plating cheeses and breads. From small prep to large feasts, there's always the perfect cutting board at hand. Dual-sided with deep juice grooves. Each board is reversible, one side with deep grooves to catch juices, the other smooth for serving. Use them as charcuterie boards to present meats, cheeses, or fruit, or flip back for daily prep. Keeps countertops neat and your presentation stylish. Gift-ready, eco-friendly choice. More than just another wood cutting board, this full set with storage stand makes a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays. Durable, sustainable, and elegant, it's a versatile bamboo cutting board set every kitchen will appreciate. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.